Today, we're finna show y'all how to lace up your boots, aka sneakers. A brand new pair of all white, fresh, crisp Air Forces. And this is how they came out the box. Look, I still didn't tie it. And this is how they came out the box. So, let's box this thing up. Let's show y'all how to tie a sneaker. But you want to do it the right way if you want to style it. But we're just going to tie one just to show you how we style it. So, what you want to do is make sure all laces is kind of even, because one side could be unleveled if they're not even. Now I get it, they're not going to be perfectly angled, but this is the best way. Make sure they stretch about the same height. One could be a little stretchier than the other, so you got to kind of fix this. Now, measure it. What you want to do is take this angle, and make a little crisscross. Now you tuck. Once you grab it with these two fingers right here, this is the easy method. You put your finger like this, grab it with that middle finger, roll it over like that, tie it to that. And what you want to do is you go like this, switch positions just a little bit, bend this like this, hit this like this, go like this. You have a perfectly tied knot on your shoe. Now if you want to style it and you want to make it look drippy, this is what you got to do. Now, this is a little bit different. This is for if you want to have a little style and swag to it instead of just a regular old bow knot. And make sure these ain't too cuffed up. You don't want them too choked up. You want to make them loose as a goose, just a little bit, but enough to where they don't drag. You're going to grab one end, loop it. Make sure it's tight on there though. You don't want to, and you don't want to have it to have a knot. So make sure it's up there. And then what you could do is you loop it again. Loop it that second time, and there you go. It's not dragging. The same on this side. Make sure it's in there tight enough. Don't make a full-on knot, just in case you have to adjust. Sometimes you do have to adjust. So always make sure you'll be able to get it out. And I had problems with that in my beginning stages of doing this. And that's the style how everybody usually do it. You style it like that, or you do it the old school bow tie way. You pick your poison. And this is how to tie your sneakers, shoes, aka lace your boots.